So for part 2 of lab 3, I'll be going over another part of this lab, which will talk about the BCD, or the decimal counter. And in this case, we only want our counter to count up from 00 to 99 instead of the hexadecimal values. So this version is similar to the first hexadecimal counter, except we're not gonna output the hexadecimal value, just the decimal numbers, like a regular number, like 00 to 99 in this case. So right now, as from before, these 7 switches, they preload your input values that you desire to display on your segment 7 hexadecimal display. Again, and then this switch 7 basically dictates the counting direction of your counter. Switch 8, which will pause your hexadecimal counter, which I'm paused right now. And the last switch increases or sets your clock speed from 1 Hz to 5 Hz. Right now it's set to 1 Hz in this case, and switching on will be 5 Hz. Key 1 and key 0 are resetting button, and the button that sets your preloaded values from your desired switches. So in order to demonstrate this, I will have to unpause this again. And as you can see, it's counting up from 0 to 2 in this case right now, but it's not going from A to F in this case, because in my program, once the counter reaches A, then it resets back to 0, and vice versa. Yeah, resets to 0, so it doesn't go beyond the hexadecimal range that we wanted to display on our FPGA board. And then again, to set the value that you want to start with, you just hold down the button here on key 1, and once you let it go, it will start counting from the value that you set at. So if I'm counting up, it will start from 59 all the way down to 99, which is the maximum value. And if I want to allow this counter to count backwards, all I have to do is set the direction to 0, and as you can see, it'll count down backwards. To pause, all I have to do is switch 8 to 1, and it stops there. To slow down the counter frequency, just switch the last switch to set it to 1 Hz, which is slow, and switching it back to 1, well, we're allowing the counter to count at a faster rate. And resetting the whole display back to 0, we just hold the key 0 button here, and it'll show 0 from there, and then it'll start counting from that position that you set at. And that's it for my project, for the BCD decimal counter in this case. Thank you.